So if you're watching this video, you most likely stuck at a 9 to 5 that you probably hate. I was there. I used to work 14, 16 hours. My average day was 10 hours. When I did work a 10-hour job, I felt like I got off work early. I was getting up at 3 a.m., 4 a.m., and not getting home some days till 6, 7 p.m. Or you're watching this video because you've tried some online methods or trying to make money online and just nothing has really worked for you and you ain't really achieved the results that you feel like you should have achieved, right? And I've been there too. There's a lot of misinformation online. There's a lot of things that just don't really make sense. And no matter how much you try to use them and no matter how much the person who's making the video on YouTube says you do these things, you'll have success. You just wasn't really seeing the success. And like I said, I've been there also. But I'm here to tell you that there is a way to make consistent money online, either daily, weekly, or monthly, with just a few clicks of your mouse. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Jamel Jones, aka the Lone Wolf Entrepreneur, and it's my mission to help you fire your job, reach financial freedom, and start building generational wealth for you and your family. So if you're tired of your job or you're just trying to find something online that actually works, I got something for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can go to Google, click your mouse a couple times, and generate monthly recurring revenue relatively easy. And you're probably thinking like, bro, so what does what you're talking about, how does that differ from everything that I've done? Well, we're gonna be selling, I'm gonna teach you how to sell AI reviews to local small businesses. I do this literally every single day. On top of literally hundreds of other people, I do this personally every single day, and I make decent amount of money doing this with relatively low input as far as time goes. So let me show you how to do it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Google. Now for this particular example, we're gonna use small business as a dentist in Chicago, Illinois. All right, so once you get to this particular page, you're gonna go to Maps. And when you see this up here, usually there's going to be some sponsored ones up here, but they're not showing up right now. But let me show you. So this dentist right here has 1,266 reviews, 433 reviews. Now, if you've ever Googled anything in your life as far as a business, I'm pretty sure that you went to the one that has the highest number of reviews. Everyone does. The more reviews you have, the more positive reviews you have, the more likely a client is to actually do business with you, right? So the same goes for every business literally on the entire planet. Google is the best place to do that. So being able to sell companies Google reviews means that they get more money. So let's find a company on here that has less reviews than the other companies. We're going to look for companies that have single or double digit reviews. All right. Now, even though 433 is a lot lower than 1266, 433 is still a decent number of reviews. So we're going to scroll and see what we can find. They've got 94, but we're going to keep going. Okay. This company here has 28. Let's see if we can find anything a little bit lower. If not, we'll go with the 28. All right, we're going to do this one right here, 37, because they have a full 5-star. They have a full 5 stars. Now, we're going to click on this company. And the thing is, this company has 37 reviews, but I can guarantee you that this company has had more than 37 clients. So what happens is when you leave the dentist, and I'm pretty sure that you, if you're watching this video, that you can relate to this. When you leave the dentist, the last thing you're thinking about is going to Google and leaving a review unless you had a bad experience. See, most people only leave reviews when they have bad experiences. Other than that, it leaves their mind. They're just happy to get the hell out of the dentist. Or if you're dealing with a plumber or something, you're just happy that they unclogged their toilet, right? You're not thinking, I got to go to Google to leave a review for those people. You're not thinking that. And it's just out of your mind because you got your problem solved. So what we're going to do is we're going to contact these companies and we're going to offer them a way to get more 5-star reviews. And it's not going to be fake reviews. It's not going to be anything like that. We're going to contact their existing client database and ask them for a review. Literally that simple. Now you're going to go through these, and I offer scripts and all of that type of stuff on how to talk to these people. Not all of them are going to say yes, but once you get someone to say yes, then we're going to go into a system called GoHighLevel. And let me just take a moment here to let you guys know I have absolutely nothing to sell you. I don't have a course or mentorship or anything like that to sell you. Matter of fact, if you guys like the video, share the video with someone who you think may benefit from this video and leave a comment down below letting me know that you've done that. I'll send you a private link to all of my free stuff, my course, my templates, my scripts, everything like that, just to show you that I don't want to sell anything to you. All right, so let's dive in it. So we're gonna go over here to CosmoSys, aka GoHighLevel. CosmoSys is my version of GoHighLevel. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to settings and you're gonna go to integrations. You're gonna set that company's Google My Business profile up inside of their sub account that you created for them inside of GoHighLevel. And it's literally a 3-step process. You find someone who wants more reviews, you set their company up to get those reviews inside of GHL, and you start collecting anywhere between $300 and $500 a month, if not more, depending on where you are. If you're in California or New York or Texas or any other place in America that has a very high cost of living, you can obviously charge more to those people. So once you get them set up, we're going to go to reputation. And reputation is just another way of saying reviews, right? And so Reviews AI, this is amazing because you turn on auto responses for that company for Google and Facebook. And this also works for Facebook, guys. And you say auto responses to all stars. Wait time, we're going to wait 3 hours. And then the response is going to say, the response footer is going to be like, thank you for your review. And so what this is going to do is it's going to generate a response to whatever they put on your review and then tell them thank you for your review anyway, right? And so once you set that up, it's literally all on autopilot, okay? That's one thing. Now, the second thing is how we're going to actually get the reviews is we're going to have the company that you're going to be doing business with, you tell them, and this is what I recommend. I recommend reaching out to them, letting them know, hey, I could get you free reviews, free 5-star reviews. All I need from you is about 50 to 100 of your client's information. I just need their email address. Okay. So you just get a list of their email addresses. You plug it into the system for them, and then you send out an automated review request. And you can send that out via SMS or email. And what that looks like is you can put the logo to the company right here. And then, hey, hope you enjoyed your visit. And you don't even have to say today because it's probably not going to be today. But moving forward, this will go out to every single person as soon as they complete their appointment with the dentist. And so as soon as they walk out, we're going to say about 2 hours because most people leaving the dentist, they're probably a little loopy from the laughing gas, right? So 2 hours after they sober up, so to speak, they're going to get an email and a text message letting them know, hey, hope you enjoyed your visit today. Please leave us a review for free teeth whitening on your next visit. Or you don't even have to say the free teeth whitening, just anything. And then you insert the review link. And the review link will pull them in directly to that company's Google My Business reviews for them to leave a review. Now, how easy is that? You just send somebody the link, they click the link, and then they just say some nice words, 5 stars, boom, bam. Now, that company has another 5-star review. Now, imagine being able to do this for a company that's been in business for 30, 40, 50 years that has 40 or 50 reviews. You can imagine that they have thousands of customers that they've done business with that has never left a review. They can go from double-digit reviews to 4-digit numbers of reviews, literally in a matter of weeks, if not days. So imagine being able to offer this to your clients. And what I was saying about doing it for free is you do it free for the first few of them. And then once they are aware of the power of this, they'll literally just throw money at you. Like, yeah, hell yeah, because every new positive review that they get is going to bring in more and more people. People are always looking for services. People always look for dentists, chiropractors, plumbers, painters, lawyers, everything. And the more reviews that they have on Google, the more likely they are that someone is going to do business with them. And once you get them in the door with this service right here, if you have GHL anyway, once you get them through the door with this service right here, then you can offer them a host of other services that GoHighLevel has to offer that I won't go in this video. There's other videos out there that I've made that you can check those out. But once you get them in the door with this, then you can upsell them to the rest of these things. But there's companies out here literally paying $500 a month just for these review services. All right. So again, if you found any value in this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share. And once you do that, leave a comment down below and I'll send you over the link to my step-by-step course on how to get started with GHL and how to sell these services to local businesses, all of my templates that I have, all of my scripts that I have, and I'll even invite you to my Lone Wolf Entrepreneur private community. So again, guys, I'm Jamel Jones, the Lone Wolf Entrepreneur, and it's my mission to help you fire your job, obtain financial freedom, and be able to start building generational wealth for you and your family. I'll see you guys in the next video.